Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about variables and data types. So variables are nothing but containers which are used to store our data. In Python, there is no need to declare variables. We can directly assign our data to the variable. Variable names must follow some rules. Those are, variable can contain alphabets and numbers. That is alphanumerics, characters and underscore. But it is not allowed to have any other special characters. So a variable can contain alphabets, numbers, and underscore, but it is not allowed to have any other special characters like at the rate, dollar, or any other special characters are not allowed in variable names. So even if our variable has numbers, it must not start with a number. A variable name must start with alphabet or underscore. So even if our variable name has numbers, it must not start with a number. It must start with the alphabets or underscore. Cannot start with numbers. So variables are case sensitive. What is meant by case sensitive? It means uppercase and lowercase are two different values. Like if I take a variable name, it is different from capital N name and it is different from name. These three are three different variables. So these are variable name conventions we must follow in Python. So now what are data types? So as I have said, we can store any type of data in our variables. So there are numerous data types in Python. When it comes to numeric values, we have data types integer, int, float value, which is nothing but decimal points, complex values. Complex values consist of real and imaginary parts. These are three data types in numbers. In text data type, we have string, str. These are nothing but string. That is alphabets, characters, anything, any character between quotes is called as a string. It can be numbers, it can be alphabets, it can be special characters, anything between quotes is called as string. Another one is boolean. Nothing but true and false. Only two values are in there in boolean. It is bool data type. Another one is sequence. Sequence data types are list, tuple, range. Next data type is mapping data type. Dictionary. DICT, dict. Nothing but dictionary data type is a mapping data type. There are set data types, which are nothing but set, frozen set. And there is a none data type. We have another data types which are rarely used, called as binary data types. B type, I mean bytes, byte array, memory view. These three are binary data types. So These are the data types where we highly use in Python. Numeric data type, we have integer. Float is nothing but decimal point data type. I mean decimal point numbers, real values. And complex is has consisted a real part and imaginary part. Here one is real part and 2j is imaginary part. Text, we have string data type, any characters in between quotes. Boolean, that is Boolean data type. We have true or false. Sequence, that is list, tuple and range data. In mapping data type, we have dictionary. In sets, we have set and frozen set. In none, we have none type. So if value is assigned as a none, it is nothing but none data type, none type data. We have rarely used binary. We will rarely use binary data types, bytes, byte array memory. They are very rarely used. So these are some data types we can see in our file now. A is equals to, if I say 5, we can see this data type using type function. So print type of A. It gives us the data type of variable A. What type of data is stored in A, we can see using type. So now save this, and if I, so it is integer data type, you can see. So if I go for B is equals to string, that is nothing but anything inside quotes are strings. So if I write a number 25 here, and see its type, you can see it is string. So second print type of B is string. You can see here. Like this. Comma. We have to give a comma here. Oh, I haven't saved this. Yes. Now type of A is class integer and type of B is string. Even though I have written number, but it is inside quotes, that's why it is showing as string. If I write special characters here, still it shows as a string. If I write alphanumerics, it will still show as a string. So this is string data type. You can go for A is equal to 5.0 if I take, then it is going to be float data type. If I go for A to J complex, now it uses complex data type. Boolean. Now if I use now if I give C is equals to value true, now it's going to give me data type. Output as in data. So see bool data type. If I take D is equals to none, if I give as a none, then it will show as a none data type. So it is none data, none type. That is nothing but none data type. So you can play with all these data types. We will see each data type going forward in separate videos. For sequence, we will make a video on list, triple range, and numeric data types. Going forward, we will see detailed information on these data types. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.